We all know summer is in full swing, and lifestyle expert Jenny Bond is sharing the hottest in beauty products. Jenny, great to have you here.
How are you doing?
I'm doing wonderfully well, and I'm loving this because it's taking me back.
Yes, we love Palmer's because what's so important, like especially this summer, that you have to take care of your body, you also have to take care of your skin and keep it hydrated or in shape. And that's where our Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula comes in handy. But what they've done is they've come out with a new men's line, and so you're going to get a spray lotion to help keep the skin smooth and soothed after sun exposure. Now, if you look right here, Palmer's would like you to go to palmershercules.com and you could win a Herculean trip.
Wow.
That sounds very exciting. But in the meantime, you can check out Hercules. It's going to be launching in July 25th. So it's a brand new movie coming out.
It looks good
now,
too.
What's great is this is a very fast and absorbing formula because these are great too. This is the original men's formula, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion. But this you're going to be able to put on. You're going to get great coverage in all of those hard to reach places, and it's a very, very speedy spray. So if you want to get any more information about that, you could go to palmershercules.com.
My husband has a little sunburn right now, and he could really use that.
Those are hard to reach places. That's your go-to.
Definitely.
And this is Mirinda's new True Age Skin Age Therapy Gel. Now, it is an all-natural anti-aging gel that's going to help reverse the external effects and damage that are caused by advanced glycation end products. We like to call those AGEs. Now, those occur actually when you have excess sugars in the body and they bind with the proteins of the skin, and this is going to cause aging, it's going to cause inelasticity, and it's really going to cause stiffness in the skin. Now, we're going to see it being put on. It's so light, it's a great light moisturizing, and it's going to improve the skin appearance, and it's going to boost those protective layers on the skin, and it's going to disrupt that AGE formation. Now, Mirinda just came out in July, so it's brand new, and so you're going to be able to find more information about that at Mirinda.com.
Going there now.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, another very important thing, another summer essential is deodorant. Yes.
It's true. It's true. It's so hot right now. Humid. Oh.
We all need a good deodorant, and that's why I'm absolutely loving this. Is the Dove Advanced Care deodorant, and it has nutrient moisture, and it's going to provide softer, smoother skin in just 3 days.
Great.
But it's going to give you great cover for up to 48 hours.
Perfect.
I think that is amazing. And it's also going to help fight irritation that may be caused, you know, from shaving.
Yes.
That can happen.
Sometimes I shave without using the water and the soap.
Yes, and that can be very prickly. So this is going to help with that. And you can find that at mass markets for about $4.99.
That's great.
Now, Dove also would like to kind of enhance women to go ahead and shed their sleeves this summer, because you are going to be able to win a trip to the New York City Fashion Week and get a VIP fashion makeup with stylist Erin Walsh.
So you get a makeover?
You get a makeover.
Good.
What a great deal. So you can check out at dove.com for that kind of information.
I'm in.
Yes.
All of these things are wonderful. And I'm thinking
It's
right
all
now,
about skin, skin, skin.
I just want to take a little trip down memory lane with me. Oh,
it smells great.
You can't beat Palmer's.
These are all great, such happy summer things.
Oh, yes. Thank
Go
you, Jenny.
for it.
Thank you. My husband thanks you as well. For more information, go to daytimeonline.tv.
Oh, it smells great.